Hello traders, in this video I will show you a simple yet powerful breakout strategy that will help you increase your winning rate and success whilst trading binary options. Hello traders, it's Samuel from Trading 404. If you are new to this channel, click that subscribe button. And all the links mentioned in this video, you will find it in the description box below. So let's jump into it. In this video, we will trade breakouts. We will use a trendline and MACD indicator. Ideally, our trendline should have a minimum of 3 touches to confirm it's a valid trendline. Next, MACD should cross below the 0 line to turn negative. If our mentioned trading condition is true, we place a sell trade. So guys, you can see the market is breaking the trend line, and it could be an opportunity for us to sell for 1 minute. So let's just wait. So guys, we have placed our trade. So watch this video till the end and I will explain why I took this trade. Remember guys, I have a Telegram group. Join in to get access to binary option scripts for 1 minute strategy, and also check for the pinned message where you will find my free script and much more. So let's wait for the results of this trade. So guys, I also have a premium script. If you want it, it is only for VIP. You can just send me a text through Telegram and I'll get back to you. As I promised guys, the reason I took this trade is because the trend line had broken and the MACD had crossed below 0 to turn negative. That is why I won this trade. Subscribe to my channel so that I can continue making you awesome strategies for options trading to help you become a pro trader. Thank you guys for watching this video.